My name is Matt Malonio. I'm the President and CEO of Providence Texture. We're located in Smithfield, Rhode Island. We are a laser service company for manufacturing. We do a variety of laser services from micromachining, texturing, engraving, marking, things of that nature. When I decided to start Providence Texture in 2016, I decided to go 100% laser. And it had to do with the types of technologies within the laser industry that came to be, the possibility of both the types of work that we can do, as well as the laser technology that we can work with for a variety of materials, as well as the type of work that we can do. Going beyond standard texture and engraving, getting into more complex micromachining, getting into more precise work, being able to hold tolerances in the single-digit microns versus the thousandths of an inch, and opening up really entire industries that were, we had minimal exposure to previously. The medical industry is a good example. The lasers allowed us to do everything from micromachine entire cavitations for liquid silicone rubber, onto texturing or resurfacing implantable devices. When we started Providence Texture, we brought in some of the most advanced laser technology that you could find in a job shop. Our current P400 with dual source technology, one source being a femtosecond source, the other being a nanosecond source, it really helped us to do a variety of projects that weren't previously possible, working with new materials, working with these new materials differently than previously thought. And so we're always pushing the limits of what we thought were possible and what our customers were coming to us asking us to do. And so as we were working in the medical industry, we started out with smaller projects, and those smaller projects grew as we started working from development into production. And then with that, we started working with more advanced technologies. The GF machining solutions, P400U, femtosecond flexi-pulse machine. It has probably the most advanced, 5-axis system in the industrial market right now, utilizing both flexible pulse width technology as well as flexible wavelength technology, going from infrared spectrum to the green spectrum. That is going to give us a tremendous capability with working with a variety of materials and also attaining detail that is currently not possible. The 5-axis capability of our GF P400 that's been the real difference with a lot of these applications. Early on, there were a few customers that came to us that had worked with several other laser shops in the US and Europe. They ended up with us because of the 5-axis capability. The ability to actually work in active 5-axis mode, or to be able to very precisely pick a precision angle, to be able to create a certain feature, or to work with the laser technology to make it do things that were perhaps thought not possible previously.